You described yourself on the pitch as believing you were a lion. Is that right?
I am a lion.
You are a lion.
The lion is still alive.
Lions, they don't recover like humans.
If you're a cat, you will run away. But if you're a lion, you will stay among the other lions. Lions, they don't compare themselves with humans. When I come on the pitch, I'm a lion. That's the big difference.
Let no man forget how menacing we are. We are lions.
There are no pacts between lions and men. Now you know who you're fighting.
Lions are called the king of the jungle even though they do not live in the jungle. But wherever they live, they are the most dominant predators around. Lions are the second largest cat after tigers. They are also the most social of all the cats, living together in groups called prides. Lions are fast and powerful, but their real strength is in their numbers. Together, they can bring down a large prey like a giraffe. Around 124,000 years ago, several subspecies of lions existed throughout the planet. This included the cave lions of Europe and the American lions of North America. Unfortunately, both became extinct by about 8000 BC. Today, lions are found in Africa and in a small region in India. There are two subspecies of lions. The first one has populations roaming across Central, North and West Africa and India. This subspecies included the Barbary lion. The Barbary lion was claimed to be the largest lion with a weight of wild males ranging from 270 to 300 kilograms. This population occurred in Barbary coastal regions of Maghreb from the Atlas Mountains to Egypt. They were also called Atlas lion and Egyptian lion. Unfortunately, the Barbary lion became extinct in the 1960s due to extensive bounty hunting. The second subspecies inhabits southern and East Africa. The lion's population has declined rapidly due to poaching, habitat loss and disease. An estimated 20,000 African lions remain in the wild and are classified as vulnerable. Asiatic lions are listed as endangered with a population of only about 600. These Asiatic lions are only found in Gir National Park of India. Their habitat is a combination of dry savanna and dry scrub. In Africa, lions occupy a variety of habitats such as grasslands, savannas, open woodlands, scrubs, and semi-arid plains. Lions have a plain appearance, a uniform tawny coat that matches the sunburnt grasses of the savanna. An adult male grows up to 10 feet long and weighs more than 500 pounds. As with other cats, females are smaller. Asiatic lions are smaller compared to their African cousins. Mature males have manes around their necks and shoulders. The mane acts like a shield but also acts like a billboard. The size and color of the lion's mane advertises his fitness to others. Lions have the longest larynx or voice boxes and are capable of the loudest roars, 114 decibels. Their roar can be heard up to 5 miles away and can be nearly as loud as thunder. Lions' upper canine teeth measure from 2 to 2.5 inches and their jaw can produce a bite force of 650 psi. Lions' tongue are as rough as a sandpaper. These tongues are covered with backward facing spines that help them to lick meat away from bones. Another unique feature is the dark tassel in the end of their tail. Lions are the only cats to display the special tufts. On the lions found in India, these tufts are longer. The most distinguishing characteristic of the Asiatic lion is the longitudinal fold of skin that runs along its belly. This is absent in African lions. The male Asiatic lion also has a relatively short, sparse and darker mane compared to the fuller mane of the African lion. As a result, the male Asiatic lion's ears tend to remain visible at all times. White lions also exist. Again, they are leucistic. They are only seen in South Africa. Lions have curved retractable claws that may be up to 3 inches long. Lions' top speed is 80 km per hour. Their lengthy tail helps to keep balance during the chase. Lions have very good hearing. Their ears can rotate to face the direction where sound is coming from. In fact, lions are able to hear prey that are a kilometer away and can listen out for other members of their pride. They also have keen vision. Their retinas are packed with large amount of light-sensitive cells. Any faint source like the moonlight is enhanced by these cells. In addition to this, lions have white fur below their lower lid, which is thought to reflect light back into their eyes. Their long tails are good communication tools as well. Lions use them to signal each other when hunting in a group. Lions also have dark markings on the backside of their ears. Like their tails, they are thought to help hunting parties follow each other when in long grass. To protect themselves from kicks, lions have loose belly skin. Lions nap for up to 20 hours a day. They are nocturnal, but they can be opportunistic and hunt during the day. Lions are the most social of all cats and live together in groups called prides. These groups are family units as few as 3 and as many as 40 lions.
I don't have friends. I got family.
They typically have one dominant male but may sometimes have 2 to 3 leading males at a time. The rest of the pride's members are females and their offspring. The females of the pride are often related to each other. In a pride, the lionesses are the primary hunters and the dominant males are responsible for protecting the pride's territory. Like other big cats, lions use their rough tongue for grooming, keeping their coats clean and parasite free. But lions also take part in mutual grooming, a practice which strengthens bonds between cats. Lions' territories can be as vast as 400 square kilometers. Lions proclaim their territory by roaring and by scent marking. These smelly signals are also spread through touch. Lions can often be seen rubbing against trees. They also do this against each other. Lions have scent glands in their faces, and this behavior is a form of greeting. Teamwork is something lionesses understand well. They are the ones doing a great deal of hunting. Lionesses have lighter bills and are capable of faster speeds. It is a common misconception that male lions don't hunt. They do, but only when the situation demands it. With their bulk, male lions can help drag down a large prey like a buffalo and enabling other members of their pride to go for the kill. Hunting as a group, lions can go after much larger prey.
With gasoline, see these eyes so red, red like jungle burning bright. Those who feel me near will look lines and change their mind. It's been so long. Still this pulsing night, a flag I call a heartbeat. Just be still with me. You wouldn't believe what I've been through. You've been so long, and it's been so long. Loving putting out the fire with gasoline, putting out the fire with gasoline.
In a pride, there is a pecking order at meal times. If males are present, they eat first, then lionesses, and finally the cubs. A mature lion can devour 18 kilograms in one sitting. If their daily intake is threatened, fights can occur. Lions have a gestation period of 4 months. The females give birth around the same time. They can have up to 4 cubs in a litter. The cubs weigh between 1 and 2 kilograms. Mother's milk fuels their growth. Blind at first, the cub's eyes function at about 11 days. Their irises are bluey grey. They gain the strength to walk at about 2 weeks. By their first month, these mini lions have their milk teeth and can now run. The cubs have brown rosette markings on their coats, similar to those in leopards. It is believed to offer the baby camouflage. As the cat matures, they will fade. On lionesses, these spots can persist underneath their bodies and on their limbs. Lionesses wait until cubs are 6 to 8 weeks old before rejoining the pride. Teamwork among lionesses extends to raising cubs. During free time, the cubs play and form strong social bonds. Bolder ones will attempt to engage with older members of the pride. Results can be mixed. By 2 to 3 months, the cub's eye color changes to orangey brown like the adults. At this stage, they begin to eat meat. This is also when their mature coat starts to develop and their tail tip develops a tuft. They will stop mother's milk by 10 months old when their permanent teeth comes through. With lots of play fighting as training, cubs soon start to hunt. Juvenile lions take down their first prey between their first and second birthdays. This is when their voice starts to stand out and their manes begin to develop. The larger and darker their manes, the better the chances are for passing on their genes. Young females tend to stay with their birth pride, while juvenile males are excluded from the group. The males often pair up and become nomadic until they are strong enough to force their way into a new pride. To do that, they have to fight the local males. If the nomads think they can win the fight, they will challenge the resident lions. The mane acts like a natural protection for their necks when male lions are fighting against each other. If they win, they will usually kill all the male babies, preventing them from ever becoming rivals. Then they will mate with the females and pass on their gene on to the next generation. In the wild, African lions have a lifespan of 10 to 14 years. Asiatic lions have a lifespan of 16 to 18 years.